Okay everyone, I wanted to make another video. I promise you this to help you along since I won't be in class tomorrow. So here we go. On tomorrow's worksheet, you're going to be given this problem 11. And I want to remind you, notice how large these numbers are, guys. 729, 1,134, right? And we're going to be timesing and dividing them together. So I need you guys to start, as of today, to understand the value of us using a calculator in class. Bottom line, we're going to start using the calculator more in classroom. Okay? But anyways, let's get to the problem here. How, again, do I solve a proportion? Well, I cross multiply. So notice if I go this way, I got 729 times G, right? So that, of course, is just simply 729G equal to, now I'm going to cross multiply the other way, and I have 1,134, which I have to times by 27. Okay, and now I'm going to use my calculator. So as you can see right here, 1,134 times 27, just want to make sure I have the right numbers, is 30,618. 30,618, and that's an 8 there, guys. And of course, to solve this, we're now going to divide both sides by 729, because 729 divided by 729 is 1. So 1 gram, or 1 G, G may not necessarily be grams, but I know G itself equals, let's see here, 3,000 or 30,618 divided by 729 is 42. So I know it equals 42. And that's how you solve it, guys. And now we're going to start using our calculator. Pause the video, of course, if you need to. Okay, so now let's look at a word problem. This is number 19. And the first thing I want to remind you of, guys, is you read a word problem, I suggest you underline or highlight the key numbers involved here, as I'm doing right now. And let's see what we got here. We got a 380 cubic centimeter sample, it says. So I'm going to jot that down. 380 cc's for cubic centimeters. Sample of titanium has a mass of 1710. So you know what, guys? I have a ratio there now. You see, 380 cc's is equivalent to 1,710 grams. I'm going to use G for grams. And that's going to equal, of course, let's see what we got here. It says, follow the red, they want to know the weight of a titanium sample that has a volume of 532 cc's. Now here's a key point, guys. Where does that 532 cc's belong? Does it, for example, belong in the numerator? Or will it belong in the denominator of my next ratio? Well, notice I set up the ratio with cc's, cubic centimeters, in the numerator, right? So that is where the 532 is going to go. So I'm going to put 532 cc's. Again, the units should match up. And then, of course, I'm going to use X for the mysterious missing weight, which will be in grams, because over here, you see, we had grams. So now, how do we solve this proportion? We cross multiply, right? Here you see I have 1710. I'm going to times that with 532. I know that's going to equal 380 times X, better known as 380X. How do I solve for the X? I'm going to divide by 380. Divide by 380, because 380 divided by 380 is 1. So I know my X is going to equal my calculations. So watch this, guys. With my calculator, As you can see right there, I took 1710 times 532. I got 909,720. I then divided by the 380. And there is my answer, 2394. So I know that that piece of titanium, just double checking, weighed 2,394 grams. Until next time, guys, bye.